Hi, this is me, Dr. Nasih. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a size of A0 poster presentation. First of all, open a PowerPoint. In a PowerPoint, we will choose a blank presentation. In the blank presentation, you will see two boxes. We will delete all these boxes by selecting and press delete to make sure this is a blank. Then go to design. In design section, we will go to slide size and custom slide size. In a custom slide size, we will choose a A0 size. For A0, the width will be 84.1 centimeter or 33 inches. This is unit of centimeter, and for a height will be 118.9 centimeter and 46 inches. Press enter. Make sure it's in a portrait slide and maximize the fitting. Now this is a size of A0. Now we're going to design our poster. Right click format background, or go to design again and format background. In a background section, we will have these options. I will choose this color as an example for a background of my poster. Now I will choose a background for my title section. As you know, a poster contains a title. For title section, I will choose a rectangle shape. In an insert section, shapes and rectangle. Now I can choose a rectangle shape. This is a background for my title section. Make sure the width of this background box will be the same as my poster, and for the height, make it a specific number, for example 12 centimeter height and the width. And for a portrait type poster, we will usually have 2 columns and 3 columns, not more than that. 2 column or 3 column. For making sure for your column, you will choose a rectangle again and draw your rectangle by pressing a left side of your mouse and scrolling down. This is my background for the first column, and now you can design and manage the size of your column. For example, I make this 40 centimeter width and the height 100 centimeter. Now I have one column. The other one, I will select this one and Control C, then Control V. We will have 2 columns. Put them next to each other. Now they align it. If you want to make sure they are aligned and be easily, quickly to see, go to View. Press. We have a ruler on top and side. Now press Grid Lines and Guides. Now this is a guides, and those are the grid lines. Guides in the middle. Now we are sure now both boxes are being distributed thoroughly. If you want to have this background to be seen by sides as well, which be much nicer, just by select both, select one of them, press Ctrl, select the other one, go to Arrange and Align. Make sure this align to sides. To side will be ticked as you see. Now distribute them horizontally. We will see they've been distributed horizontally perfectly. Now you will see background in all the sides around them. Now make another section for the bottom to put your contact side, just by Control and paste the top side. we will bring down one of them by selecting it and make it, yeah. Now we have been distributed them perfectly. For my side, this background I would like to be by double click on it, we will make sure these options come up. As formatting these boxes, I will choose a background of white, for the other one background white as well. Yet downside to be a text when I am adding a text to it, much easier being illustrated and shown. Yeah. For top side, I can choose white as well, any color you would like. This will be much nicer. And for posters, official posters, usually you will add a logos on top or on the bottom as you like. For my side, I will add two logos, ministry logos on the left side and university logos on the right side, vice versa. For adding a logos, I always have my logos saved on my computer. I go to insert, then choose a picture, and this is a ministry logo. I will choose this logo, add it to one side, to my, yeah, one to my poster. The other one go to insert, again a picture, and this is a university logo. I will add this university logo to the right side as well. For my title, I will add a box. I will add a box by insert, go to a text box. Anywhere I can draw a box. For example, here I can draw a box, then put a box in the as the size as, yeah. This is my box. I can add my title. For example, I bring my title from anywhere, from the previous poster or from, yeah, from previous poster or from my paper. I will make this size smaller. For example, I will choose 75, yeah, and for this one I'll choose 32, yeah. As you see, a background of my box is black and the written part is white. I can make it vice versa. For example, make this one the color for this one, make the color of the my box this is the color of written part and color of yeah, I can make the color of a written part black as well, but the box, double click on the box and make a shape white. Yeah, you will see my box. You can have a shape outline or not, as you can decide just by clicking on the box and shape outline. You can remove no outline or change of color of your outline as you like. You can change the color of your outline as you like. You can make this size to be fit to your background of a title 12. Now it's fitted to your background of your fitted in the middle. Now you can see perfectly fit in between both logos as well. Now you can add sections. For adding a sections, I will draw for example a text. This is my text box for my for example, any sections I would like to have. For this one, I will have introduction by adding, for example, I will by typing time and press enter and adding a font size, usually for those titles, not less than 32. I'll make this, for example, 40. And I can make this background for this one any color I would have. For example, this color of my written part, and I can make sure the color of my box. This is a color I would choose. Yeah. Now I copy this box and paste it several times for my sections. For example, I will add another section here, the other section, for example, here, and I can have another section. Yeah, exactly here. Yes. Now my poster is nearly, the design is ready. The last section usually is by right click on this and edit the text. I will edit the text, for example, references, and now my poster is ready for adding. If I want to add a written part or anything, just by insert and add a box here, and I will copy paste anything I want, any necessary part for my introduction and for my other sections as well. For example, I want to add a photo or a picture here. I will go to insert, then a picture, and I will add a designing, for example, section, and I will put this photo or this image here, and I will describe this image around it, or add a photo here, another image, and go to insert, then choose some results which I have. I will add this result. For example, for this one, I will edit the text, and for example, I will make this materials and methods all the same size. For example, this 40 size, and the other one is 42, 40 as well. Now this is all for A0 size poster presentation. Thank you very much.